Hey everyone, Josh here. So coldest day of the year so far, and my fan decided to stop working. So I've got 4-zone climate. The rear seems to be working. I think it's a rear fan for the blows the rear. But there's on the front, I have nothing. Defrost isn't working. You can't really see out of any of my windows because they're all frosted and frozen. So we're going to change the fan, or hopefully that's the issue. So I've got a new fan. Stole it from my parts Touareg way back there. So it works. I've jumped power to it and it seems to be doing its thing. So let's jump in the Touareg, my current one, and show what it's doing or what it's not doing. Okay, so we've got the HVAC shut off, and as soon as I turn it on, you'll hear like a fluttering, but it's not actually blowing anything. Not sure if you hear that, but very subtle fluttering noise. And speed doesn't change. So I'm hoping it's the fan. So we're gonna drop it out. It's really easy to get to, so we'll do that here now. Don't mind my dirty passenger area. So we're gonna pop this plastic out of here. Hopefully it doesn't break. We got a light here. Should just be able to pinch that. Out that comes. And then up there should be the fan somewhere. Okay, so my other Touareg is 2-zone climate. For some reason it didn't have this thing, but it just clips into the wire connector for the fan itself. So then the fan, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's 2 way up there. As far as what size there is, I think it's a weird metric half size. But 7/32 is really close, and it's just into plastic, so it's not tight. So just run around and unbolt all those. All right, so my 06, it seemed to have a wiring harness, like a really thick wiring harness, kind of blocking these. So it made it a bit of a pain. You had kind of to push the harness over while pulling down on this. But it's out of here, and you can see it's really dirty on the inside. But anyways, I think there's a part number. Maybe not. Anyway, so this is the 2-zone one. Looks the same. It's gonna go in for the time being until I can order a new one. It's Thursday, so by the time I order any parts, it'll be mid next week before I see anything. And I'm not going that long with no heat. So we'll bolt that in. Hopefully it works. So then as far as the 2 bolts, they're really high up. Here's the 2 there. So that's our bottom 5 I showed. That's our connector, and then it's way up there. That's a cold -7, but got it in. It's actually blowing now. So for once they made the Touaregs easy to work on. So I'm gonna get a new fan ordered, but for the time being this thing's gonna work out mint. But anyways, quick and easy. Thanks for watching.